In 2025, Texas took a significant step forward in supporting student well-being with the passage of Senate Bill 207. This new legislation, which goes into effect for the 2025-2026 school year, marks a turning point in how schools recognize and accommodate the mental health needs of their students. For years, students across Texas have faced challenges when it comes to balancing their mental health care with their educational responsibilities. While doctors' appointments for physical health were widely accepted as valid reasons to miss school, appointments with mental health professionals often existed in a gray area. The lack of clear guidance meant individual school districts could interpret these absences differently, sometimes approving them, at other times denying them, and occasionally leaving students and families uncertain or even penalized for prioritizing mental health. Senate Bill 207 addresses this inconsistency head-on. By amending the Texas Education Code, the bill explicitly states that absences for appointments with mental health professionals are now considered excused, provided the student returns to school on the same day. This simple but powerful clarification ensures that every public school district in Texas must recognize mental health appointments as legitimate reasons for student absences, putting them on equal footing with physical health appointments. The journey of Senate Bill 207 through the Texas legislature began on November 12, 2024, when it was first filed. The bill garnered significant support, passing through both legislative chambers with a 2/3 majority, an indication of the growing bipartisan recognition of mental health's role in student success. On May 30, 2025, the bill was signed into law by the governor, taking effect immediately to impact the upcoming school year. But why does this change matter so much? At its core, Senate Bill 207 is an acknowledgement that mental health is just as important as physical health in a student's life. It challenges the outdated stigma that can surround mental health care, sending a clear message to students, families, and educators. Seeking help from a mental health professional is not only acceptable, but it is also officially supported by the state's education system. The implications of this law extend beyond simply excusing absences. By removing academic penalties for attending mental health appointments, Texas is encouraging students to take proactive steps in managing their emotional and psychological well-being. This can lead to early intervention, better coping strategies, and ultimately, improved academic performance and personal development. Moreover, the law aligns Texas with a broader national movement to integrate mental health support into educational settings. Across the country, schools and lawmakers are recognizing that mental health struggles can impact attendance, concentration, and learning outcomes just as much as physical illnesses. By formally codifying mental health absences, Texas becomes part of a progressive shift that values the whole student, mind, and body. It's important to note the specifics. Under SB 207, students must return to school on the same day as their mental health appointment for the absence to be excused. This provision encourages ongoing engagement with school, while still providing the necessary flexibility for students to attend important appointments without fear of academic repercussions. For families, this change means greater peace of mind. No longer will parents or guardians need to worry about unexcused absences on their child's record when attending therapy or counseling sessions. For educators, it offers a clearer framework for supporting students who may be struggling, helping to foster a more compassionate and responsive school environment. As the 2025 to 2026 school year begins, Texas students will find that taking care of their mental health is no longer something that has to compete with their education. Instead, it's recognized as an essential part of their overall well-being. Senate Bill 207 is more than just a change in attendance policy. It's a meaningful investment in the future of Texas students, helping to ensure they are healthy, supported, and ready to succeed both in school and in life.